Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here is the English version of substitution reaction. As well as you have learned about my lecture of substitution reaction, there are two types of this reaction. First, the substitution reaction that involve two molecules at the same time that we call nucleophilic substitution 2, and also the substitution reaction that involve one molecule of nucleophilic that we call the nucleophilic substitution 1. And how to differ both of this reaction? Here I'll give you the example. And here is the substitution reaction example. As well as we know, we have two types of substitution reaction. We have a nucleophilic substitution 2 and we have nucleophilic substitution 1. And the example of the nucleophilic substitution 2, when we determine this reaction is as nucleophilic substitution 2, is because this molecule has the position of its substituent on primary or secondary position. When we have it at primary or secondary position, and when we have another molecule that attack it from its back, so at the same time, this both of these substituent involved in this molecule in transition position at the same time, so it will produce another molecule or another enantiomer of the first molecule. When your first molecule is defined as R enantiomer, so the product will be at the S enantiomer. And another type of substitution reaction is the nucleophilic substitution 1. And this substitution reaction, we involve three states of mechanism. The first state is about the formation of carbocation, and the second state is the nucleophile attack into the carbocation formation. And the third state is the release of the proton of the nucleophile. When the first state is the formation of the carbocation, and this nucleophilic substitution began when your substituent is on the third or the second position in the carbon chains. So when we release this substituent, it will form the carbocation and another substituent. And at the second state, the nucleophile come to attack this carbocation, but this carbocation is remained the proton that also bound into this nucleophile. That's why we have the third state of this nucleophilic substitution mechanism. It is the release of the proton, and when the proton is released, so we produce another product of this substitution. The first substitution is the third butyl bromide molecule, and the product is the methoxy third butane, or we can call it also as methoxy isobutane. And this is the end of substitution reaction manual. Thank you for watching.